In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new fonts so they become available in Microsoft Word on your Windows computer. First, you'll want to download the font file, which will typically be in a format such as .ttf or .otf. These are the standard file types for fonts, and you'll find them readily available from various font repositories online. Sometimes, when you download a font, it might be compressed in a zip file. If that's the case, you'll need to unzip or extract it by right-clicking and selecting the extract option. This step is crucial because you need the actual font file before proceeding to install it. Once you have the font file ready, you'll right-click on it and select Install. This option installs the font just for your user account. If you want the new font to be available for all users on this computer, right-click and choose Install for all users. Sometimes your download might come with multiple font variations, such as bold or italic, so just make sure you check which version you're installing if needed. There's another method for installing your font that you might find even more straightforward. Simply drag or copy the font file from its current location into the C Windows Fonts folder. The Fonts folder is Windows' central hub for all installed fonts, and by adding files here, Windows takes care of the installation automatically. Once you've installed the font using either of these methods, it's important to restart Word. Along with any other Office applications, you might want to use the new font in. This allows the programs to recognize and register your new addition. Now, when you open Word, navigate to the font drop-down list within your document. Here, you should find the new font listed and ready for use. Before you celebrate and start designing with your new font, there are a few important things to keep in mind. If you share your Word document with someone else who does not have the same font installed on their computer, Word will automatically substitute it with a different font available on their system. This can alter the visual layout and feel of your document significantly, so ensure that font consistency is maintained, especially for documents meant for professional presentations. Additionally, it's vital to always download fonts from trusted and reputable sources. Files from unverified origins could be corrupted or potentially harmful. Lastly, if you find that the font does not appear in your Word application despite following these steps, try closing and reopening Word, and if necessary, reboot your computer entirely. This should resolve any lag in the font being recognized by your system. And with that, you're now ready to personalize your documents with a wider array of font choices, making them uniquely yours.